Hey everyone, how's it going, and welcome back to another pack opening. This is going to be episode 2. I don't know if I'll be naming them each episode that I do, but basically let's just start opening the pack that we have today. Hopefully this is the tilt on the camera is fixed. Okay, cool. So that's the code. Very nice. Now we'll get 3 from the back. Cool. So this is just a breakpoint pack. I got 3 breakpoint packs open in the next few days. So we start off with a Kricketune. It's actually really nice. That's a pretty cool card. Palpitoad, Arcanine, Honedge, Shinx, Spritzee. Now I think we only have like 3 or 4 cards left. I just wanted to say I'm testing this kind of like light out, and it's working pretty well. The camera quality is ridiculous. That's really nice. Holy crap. Then we get a Glameow. Really nice. And we get a Slowpoke. And the second last card is a reverse holo Cloyster. Okay. I'm getting excited. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that's so good. A Darkrai EX. Look at that baby. Ooh, damn. That's the second one I've pulled. Look, the other one's over there. Ooh, let me just, no, wrong way. Let me just, there we go, focus it to the back. That's the second one. Ah, got 2 of them now. That's so cool. They look awesome. They look mad. Okay, cool. So that is going to be the second one. I'm really psyched for that. Okay, cool. So there's the cards pulled from today's episode. Wait, it's not episode 2 at all. Sorry, I don't even know what I'm on about. I'm just rambling. So yeah, that is going to be the pull from this episode. That is going to be the best card pulled, which is freaking awesome. And all of these cards are up for grabs in the giveaway. So we have that reverse holo Cloyster, and then we just have the Slowbro, Glameow, Spritzee, Shinx, Honedge, Arcanine, Palpitoad, Kricketune. And if you don't know, if you're new to the channel and you don't know how these giveaways work, basically comment down below your favorite card pulled from this episode. Not sure what it will be, but yeah, if you comment down below your favorite card pulled from this episode, and if you're subscribed, then you'll be in the draw to win. If you're not subscribed, then click that subscribe button and then I can enter you in the giveaway. But yeah, that's basically it. And if you like this video, please leave a like. Thanks for that. That's been me. Bye.